What is the circle of fifths? The circle of fifths shows the relationship between different key signatures. Let's start at the very top, like where 12 o'clock is. The key signature of C major has no sharps or flats, so we hear C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. The fifth note of the C major scale is G. So if I built a major scale starting with and ending on the key of G, we have G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G, in order to fit the pattern of the sharps and the flats and the whole tones and the semitones. That's why G major has an F sharp in it, which I explained in a previous video. So what's the fifth note of the G major scale? G, A, B, C, D. So if we built a D major scale using the same formula, it's D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. We have two sharps in the key of D major. If we went to the fifth note of the D major scale, we have D, E, F sharp, G, A. Starting on the A and ending on A, we have A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. There are three sharps in the key of A major. If we went to the fifth note of the A major scale, A, B, C sharp, D, E, the fifth note is E. If we built an E major scale using the formula of whole tones and semitones, we'd have E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E. There's four sharps in the key of E major. If we went to the fifth note of E major, we would land on B. E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B. Let's build a B major scale. B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B. There are five sharps in the scale of B major. What's the fifth note, circle of fifths, of B major? B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp. We can build a major scale starting on F sharp and ending on F sharp. Ready? F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, E sharp, F. Notice we didn't call it F and then F sharp. Can't do that. We have to use all 7 letters of the musical alphabet in every scale, even if that means that we have to manipulate the form of that letter by adding a sharp or adding a flat. So even though E sharp is the same key as the F, we have to name it properly. Spelling it properly means it belongs to that key signature. So F sharp has 6 sharps. There's also 7 sharps. C sharp major. So F sharp, the fifth note is F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp. Let's build this C sharp major scale, which is something you don't find very often because it's known by another name. We'll talk about that in the next video. C sharp, D sharp, E sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B sharp, C sharp. All 7 letters are sharp. Stay tuned for all the scales in flats.